Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Walk It Out. The song is Walk It Out, the artist is Unk, and the choreography is unknown. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. And there you go, walk it out. Y'all check that out, lunch brunch. This is the easy peasy for you and your co-workers. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.